Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Chris. How's everybody doing? All right, so today we're going to be talking about how I got started in rideshare, because it is a pretty unique story, and then also why I continue doing it. But before we get started, if you've been thinking about becoming a Uber or Lyft driver, make sure you click the link in the description below for a good sign-on bonus. Also, if you haven't hit the subscribe button, make sure you hit the subscribe button, ring the bell for notifications so you'll be notified every time a new video is uploaded. And also, please give this video a thumbs up so we can help make more good videos for rideshare drivers all over the place here on the Rideshare Hub. All right, so let's talk about my story, because it is pretty unique, as I'm sure everybody's story is, on the reasons why they've started doing rideshare to begin with, or continue to do it. Whatever your story is, comment below, let us know. It's very interesting to hear. But mine was pretty unique in the fact that I was in the process of going down to Charlotte, North Carolina. I'm originally from upstate New York, Buffalo, New York, Niagara Falls area. So I was moving down to Charlotte, went down there, and I was just starting a business. So not really any money coming in, very little. I had some money that I had saved up as well for the move and all that good stuff. But there was Uber and Lyft that was down there. So I decided to sign up for it and try doing that for a number of different reasons. One, I saw it as a great way to supplement my income coming in, so it could help me make money. My expenses were actually pretty low at the time for just moving, so it was kind of the bare minimum, which was really great. So I didn't have to do too much work there. It was pretty busy. It was nice. It was also a great way to see the area. I was pretty familiar with the area in certain spots, but it really helped me see a lot of the area all over the Charlotte, North Carolina area and its surrounding areas. So that was great because I was able to learn the new areas. And then also another big thing was, you got to meet a lot of different people. So whether they could expand my business, whether they were good for networking, or just learning new people and talking to new people and all that good stuff. So that's a pretty interesting thing there. So it was fun. I enjoyed it. I learned the area real well. I was making good money, and I couldn't complain. It was a great way, like I said, to supplement income while I was transitioning from one area to another, as well as trying to grow a business. So fast forward, I went to New York for a little while, to the city for a good chunk of time, and I wasn't going to be doing rideshare there, only because there was a lot of hoops you have to jump through in order to get to become a rideshare driver, and honestly, I just didn't want to do it at that point. So for that little time, I wasn't doing it. And then when I went back to Buffalo, again, rideshare was not around. And 2 years ago, it actually restarted. So I decided to get back into it because it was fun. It was a great way, again, to see different parts of the area. Now, I've been here for many years, but some areas you just don't see and you don't know. So it was really cool to get to see my area that I've grown up with in a whole different light and realize, there's all these different places that I can go to. So it really expanded that. Again, same thing, building business for outside of Uber and Lyft, which was always a good thing, as well as just meeting new people and having fun. But yes, also the income is really great too. So now I've done this part-time for a number of years, and it's a lot of fun. I enjoy it. Yes, there's a lot of things that can be improved, but, it was great because while I was transitioning, it was great that I could have that ability to go on and off when I want, have that flexibility, have that ability to have a supplemental income coming in while I was doing that transition, as well as just meeting new people and all that fun stuff. So that was a pretty unique experience. It still is pretty much my reason why I'm doing it still now. And also it's great for content on my channel, Real Rideshare Stories. So if you haven't hit that channel up yet, make sure you go over to Real Rideshare Stories, check out my channel and see some stuff there, because it is a little bit different than the Rideshare Hub. But you know, we all have fun doing it. So it's enjoyable. And like I said, yes, there are room for improvements. Always, every company needs to do that. And especially in the case of Uber and Lyft, where they've been kind of retracting things instead of expanding on things. So yeah, there are some issues there. But other than that, like I said, for being a part-time driver, it's really not too bad, because like I said, you can go out when you want. You don't have to really be tied to trying to make X amount of dollars every week unless you have that goal. So there's a few things there. But yeah, I'd love to know what your story is and why you are a rideshare driver. Or if you aren't a rideshare driver, if you're thinking about it, then what are the reasons behind that? And again, also, if you're thinking about it and you haven't done it yet, you know, go over to uberandlyft.com and sign up. But make sure you click the links in the description below so you can get a sign-on bonus. Also, if you signed up already but you didn't receive the bonus, check the link in the description below so you can get that bonus retroactively. Again, also, please give this video a thumbs up. Share your stories on the comment below. And this has been another episode of the Rideshare Hub, and we'll see you next time.